it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you how I turned my Hatsune Miku wig into a wig that I'm going to be using for my Bulma cosplay from Dragon Ball. The base wig I'm going to be using for this cosplay I had purchased for a Hatsune Miku costume that I still haven't made yet, so I'm trying to preserve this wig as much as possible for future use for that costume. I try to reuse wigs as much as possible because that is a particular part of a costume that can get expensive really quickly, and my budget doesn't allow me to buy a new wig for every costume I make, so I try and reuse them as much as possible, and I'll be putting a link to this particular wig in the description box below if you want to check it out. Since Bulma has a braided ponytail, we're only going to use one of the pigtail wigs. The other I'm just going to set off to the side. Loosely braid the ponytail and tie it off with an elastic. It would probably be easier to do without the hair being so curly, but like I mentioned before, I need the curls to stay so that I can reuse this for that Miku costume later on. To cover up the hair elastic, I took a little bit of red satin ribbon, wrapped it around, and then secured it in place with a bobby pin. And for the bow up top, I made a hair bow on a clip that just clips into the base wig and covers up the lobster claw clip from the ponytail. I'll put a link to the Ojiko hair accessories I made, which use the exact same technique. And that's how it's becoming a Bulma wig. I know it is very much not accurate to the design, but I just wanted to show you how I reuse wigs for other costumes. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.